Okay, it is March 19th. We're at Mr. Vipul Gupta's roof. We still have see the markings on here from when the adjuster was here. Wanted to point out some things here. Like this shingle over here. There's going to be overlapping the starter there. So we're going to have some issues there, especially when it comes in contact with this flashing. So those are issues with the repairs there. We do see the shingles are already starting to crack. We've got, just gonna walk over here. These shingles all here, like these top rows, they're all overlapped by this ridge cap and ridge vent, right? And it all works its way back, right? So if we are going to remove ridge cap, you actually have to start back to where it terminates. So unfortunately back here, so that's a lot to get back there for that ridge cap and remove all the ridge vent or replace those damaged shingles, right? Because they're going to be held in place, including this one. It's going to be held in place by nails all the way up there. All right, I mean, this one's the same, right? It's all on the top. And then let's see that side there. So there's the roof there. Like some of those repairs there might go into that valley liner, right? And actually like replacing that shingle that's going up into the adjacent slope there. If that shingle is fastened under that adjacent slope, a lot of issues replacing that damaged shingle there, extending into the slope, which of course we all know that valleys, ridges, hips are are areas of the roof that very susceptible to leaks, so don't want to do that incorrectly and create worse issues here. So I'm going to attempt to just remove this shingle here and we'll see what it looks like. Course, nails new. You got one more course. nail somewhere. There's not. Oh, shit. This thing is nailed all the way up under here. Okay, so that shingle's removed. Looks like it's some type of a CertainTeed shingle. See a little matting transfer. Shingles love it. Right. And then you can see obviously these have a little wear on them already. We're gonna put the shingle back in place and see how that looks here. Make sure we're still recording. So this is the shingle that we removed, replaced. Got one sticking up still there. Okay, shingle that we moved and replaced. So that was the existing damaged shingle. Now we look, all right? See this additional creasing here? So now this one's damaged, right? This as well, all right? That one's damaged. The shingles are too brittle to be repaired, right? Damaged. damaged. Right, not like I was rough on them, but we even see these spots here, right? The adjacent shingles with all these repairs are gonna be more brittle. Look, see that hinging right there? It's gonna be a weakened shingle over time. All right, so we've damaged that shingle. Not on purpose. All right, here's Nick. So, all right, so we're trying to replace this one shingle damaged, 4 additional shingles. So we did that 60 plus times throughout, including the ridge cap, ridge vent, and starter. This is gonna leave this roof in worse condition than it was pre-loss. This roof is not repairable, and we just showed you why.